Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the difference between N8N versus Make. Both N8N and Make are designed to automate workflows, integrate apps, and perform tasks across various services. N8N is an open source workflow automation tool that enables users to automate repetitive tasks, integrate various applications, and create custom workflows. It's designed for those who want flexibility and control over their workflows. N8N is free to use and can be self-hosted. You have full control over your workflows, data, and privacy. N8N allows users to build custom workflows with a wide range of nodes, services for different tasks. You can host N8N on your own server or on cloud services, which gives you more control over data privacy and security. It supports integrations with more than 200 apps and services. You can add logic to workflows with conditions, loops, and error handling. N8N uses a flow-based visual interface for building workflows, which makes it easy to design and visualize complex automations. Pros of N8N is that it is free to use and open source, so you can modify and extend it. Highly customizable with self-hosting and the ability to add custom code. You have complete control over your data and privacy, a growing community, and a wide range of available nodes to integrate with services. Cons of N8N is setting up N8N, especially self-hosting, may require technical knowledge, making it less accessible for non-technical users. While the visual editor is useful, it might not be as polished or intuitive as some competitors. While Make is a powerful online automation platform that focuses on connecting apps, services, and devices. It allows users to automate processes, build complex workflows, and integrate data between services with a visual builder. It makes users a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface that makes it easy to set up automations and integrations. Similar to N8N, Make uses a visual flow builder, but it's known for being intuitive and beginner-friendly. Make offers a vast library of integrations, including popular apps, services, and APIs. It allows for both simple and highly complex workflows with conditional logic, loops, and error handling. Make is a cloud-based solution, meaning you don't need to worry about hosting or server management. Pros of Make is that Make's drag-and-drop interface is intuitive and easy for beginners to use. Since it's fully hosted in the cloud, you don't need to worry about setting up or maintaining any infrastructure. With over 1,000 services, Make supports a vast array of tools and applications. Make can handle high complex workflows with advanced features like webhooks, conditional paths, and data manipulation. Make offers a wide range of pre-built templates to get you started quickly. Cons of Make is there's a free plan. Many advanced features require a paid plan. Pricing can be relatively expensive compared to open source solutions. Since Make is cloud-based, you have less control over your data compared to self-hosting solutions like N8N. Although the basic features are easy to use, more advanced workflows can require time to learn. When to choose N8N if you need complete control over your data and want to self-host the solution. If you are an advanced user who requires flexibility and customization, including the ability to write custom code or modify workflows. If you are looking for an open source and free solution with no ongoing costs. And when to choose Make if you are looking for a cloud-based, easy-to-use solution with a beginner-friendly interface. If you want access to a large number of integrations and don't mind paying for advanced features. And if you don't want to deal with hosting, managing servers, or worrying about the technical setup. N8N is an open source, meaning it's free to use and can be self-hosted, allowing complete control over your data and workflows. Being open source, you are not tied to a specific vendor or platform. You can self-host N8N on your own servers, providing you with full control over your data and security. This is a significant benefit for privacy-conscious users. Unlike cloud-based solutions, your workflows and data are not dependent on third-party servers. Unlike cloud-based solutions, your workflows and data are not dependent on third-party servers. N8N offers great flexibility with the ability to write custom code, create custom nodes, and modify workflows. It allows for complex automations that can be tailored to your specific use case. You can add new integrations and modify existing ones, which is perfect for advanced use cases. N8N supports over 200 integrations, and new integrations are constantly being added. You can connect many popular apps and services, including databases, APIs, and cloud tools. N8N has an intuitive flow-based interface for building workflows, which makes it easier to design automations by visually connecting nodes and setting triggers or actions. Since it's self-hosted, all your data stays within your infrastructure, which can be crucial for businesses that prioritize data privacy and security. While Make is entirely cloud-based, so you don't need to worry about hosting, managing servers, or maintaining infrastructure, this makes it easier to set up and use for beginners. You can jump straight into creating workflows without worrying about the underlying technical details. Make offers a drag and drop visual workflow builder that is intuitive and easy to use. It is designed for users without coding experience, making it highly accessible to beginners. The platform is easy to use and get started with, so you don't need to have any technical knowledge to create and automate workflows. Make offers 1,000 integrations with popular apps and services. The extensive library helps you automate processes across a wide range of platforms, from CRM systems to social media apps. Many pre-built templates are available to help you get started quickly without having to design workflows from scratch. While beginner-friendly, Make also supports powerful features for complex workflows such as conditional logic, loops, and data manipulation, which can be used for more sophisticated automation. It's capable of handling simple tasks as well as complex automations. Make provides a variety of pre-built templates for different use cases, example social media posting, email marketing, CRM automation. This helps users get started with minimal effort. No infrastructure management because Make is fully cloud-based. You don't need to worry about managing infrastructure, scaling, or updates. It's handled by the platform itself. So N8N is best for users who prefer flexibility, control, and the option to self-host. It's great for those who are technically inclined and want an open source solution. And Make is better for those who want an easy-to-use, cloud-based automation platform with a large number of integrations and a simpler learning curve. So basically, this is the difference between N8N and Make. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.